It doesn't matter if you have never baked a cake in your life or just wanting to learn how to create a cake your friends and family will think you bought from the bakery. My Beginner's Guide to Baking and Decorating ebook will help you out. It will give you access to not only have courage to bake the cake, but also allow you to try and decorate it the way a pro would. Get both my ebooks now to start your journey with me in the baking world. My name is Yolandi Olach, and I am really looking forward to hearing from you. When I first started out, I would have never known where my cake baking world will take me. But today I am proud and happy to say I would not change a single thing. Baking and decorating does take time, but with the right help, it is so much easier. So get your ebooks today and let's get baking together to create those beautiful and elegant cakes you want to present your family and friends right from your own home. Take the first step to baking happiness. Why not start today?